Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory at Dory's Dollies, we are doing a collab to bring you a challenge with Dolls Gone Goth. Dolls Gone Goth can be any doll at all. We don't care. This is my Never Say Never, who I call Never Say Never Addams. She is still wearing the same outfit, but today's challenge is black and white and red. So my Never Say Never, I call her Never Addams, has her red cup and her red bows and her two little elf friends. I was going to put these on, but I decided not to. I really like these shoes. You can see I like this outfit because I haven't taken her out of it yet. Tina's Reborns had a collab where we all made oversized sweatshirts, and I just haven't changed her out of it. For one thing, too, time. But this is my black and white and red all over. The little Christmas bows just, I just kind of laughed when I put those in. It's just fun. Dory, thank you so much. Thank you to every single person that not only participates in our challenges, but also comes and watches our videos. We really appreciate it. And if you have a video today, would you please leave that information below in my comments? I don't want to miss any of your videos. I like to see them all. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Merry Christmas.